What's going on, everybody? Welcome to Always Occupied Home and Product Reviews, and in this review we have a 50,000 milliamp power bank. That's insane. 50,000 milliamp power bank. I remember back in the day you was just trying to struggle to get a 20,000 milliamp power bank, but right now we have a 50,000 milliamp power bank with fast charging of 22.5 watts. Now, if you don't know the difference between the wattage and stuff, let's just say that, you know, those old school blocks, those used to be like 5-watt chargers. So with that being said, your phone will take forever to charge. All right, so with that being said, you have 22.5 watts. And let's go ahead and get into this thing. All right, so here we go. We have the power bank. Wow. This thing is huge, you guys. This thing is huge. Wow, this is not your ordinary power bank, you guys. This thing is like a block. Like, you know, with the construction workers, it's like a real block. The cool thing about this is 3 outputs, okay? 3 outputs and 2 inputs. So with that being said, you can basically charge 3 devices together at once. This is not bad. I actually like this design. Now, I have another power bank coming, you guys. This is the holiday seasons. I'm just going to throw some good products to y'all, some good gift ideas. These are stocking stuffers. You can take it out the box, put it in a stocking for your son or nephew, your niece. This is good for the kids, you guys. It may be good for the adults too, depending on what the adults do. But other than that, mainly the kids. I know a lot of kids be on their devices and stuff like that for, you know, long time, and their battery die and their phone die and blah, blah, blah. So this is a good gift for the holiday season to give to those type of people. I believe with this 22.5 watts, they said it charges your phone at least 9 times. Okay, it says it right here. It says, ooh, iPhone 11. So if you have an iPhone 11, it says, what it says, 10 charges for your iPhone 11. So I don't know how many charges for your iPhone 15, but it says right here, 10 charges for your iPhone 11, 10 times for the Samsung S10, depending on your battery size. And it says most smartphones will get over 9 full charges. So that's good. So if you need this for camping, vacation, travel, all that stuff, then definitely a power bank is a way to go, you guys. I have another one coming very soon to the channel, which is a solar one. I'm giving y'all some good gift ideas. I'm pumping it all out because next year coming, we will start a major DIY. And right now I'm just reviewing fun stuff. I will be reviewing some heavy duty stuff next year. And that will be it. So like, comment, share, subscribe, and I'll catch y'all in the next product review.